Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash, and we just got done with this trailer for a client. We have a 24 horsepower Honda. It's 3,500 psi, 8 gallon a minute. We have upgraded supply on here, inch and let's see, 3/4. We got half-inch jumper all the way back to the hose reel. Okay, got the fuel cell right over here, all strapped down nice and pretty. Everything's proportioned right to the trailer and balanced out. We got 120 chemical tank. We got the 325 water tank. We got a 40-gallon soap tank, which I can explain that later, which is a really good idea. Anyway, we got hose protectors along here all over the place just to protect the hose. Battery box across the way, directly across from our soft wash 300 system. That way no chemicals get to it. Double stacked reels, Titan reels, a stainless steel manifold inside this 18-inch hose reel here. These are 12-inch reels over here. As you can see, you got a custom mount for this proportioner, which is really cool. The pump is actually set down in there, protected from everything. All the wiring is done correctly. We have upgrade 3-way ball valve. We have to clean this because it's just got done like literally minutes ago. You see all the hose is precisely wrapped up. Okay, let's check out over here. I want to show you the inside of this proportioner. A lot of guys want to check this out. This system is really nice. Has a lot of great options, and it's pretty durable. Nice latches on there. Nice spring-loaded hinges. We incorporated this fail-safe, a regular switch with a quick off, so you don't have any accidents with the switch going on and off down the road. You can actually turn this up, pop it on, and flip it on and down, and it turns everything off. Okay, so like I said, everything's nice and neat. All the hose protectors are in there, custom, all